Dapat kinonsider to ng RTC Davao bago siya naglabas ng TPO. Inaabuso ngayon ng Kingdom of Judas cult yung temporary protection order. Natalian ngayon yung kamay ng mga pulis natin. This could have been faster if there was no temporary protection order. Sino pala ang gumagawa ng barricade? Gumagawa pala ng barricade yung kay OJC members. Sila rin yung nag-riot, di ba, doon sa may airport. Inarangan nila yung entrance at exit ng airport. It seems na mali ang basa dito ni Davao RTC. Unless there's something else going on. Pero ang weird talaga kasi meron bang threat in the first place? And if there was a threat, what was the effect of the threat? Hindi natin alam. Ako, I'm thinking yung temporary protection order na inisyo ng Davao RTC is being abused by the Kingdom of Judas cult. Sana medyo magising-gising si Davao RTC at bawiin yung kanyang temporary protection order.